Iowa Army Ammunition Plant is one of the largest ammunition production facilities in the United States. 4 billion rounds and 5 million shells per year. The factory covers an area of 80 square kilometers, equivalent to the area of more than 100 Forbidden City. The plant is scheduled to be upgraded at a cost of $1.20 billion over the next 2 years to increase the capacity and stock of 155mm shells. The Iowa Army Ammunition Factory was established in the 20th century. More than 20,000 employees produce ammunition. This factory specializes in the production of shells of various calibers. Models such as 105mm, 120mm, and 155mm. These shells were widely used by the Army of the United States and its allies. It provides powerful support firepower for actual combat. In addition to conventional shells, the factory is also dedicated to the development and production of new types of ammunition, such as guided shells and high-explosive shells, to meet the changing needs of modern warfare, especially for large-caliber howitzers such as 155mm. The precision requirements are very high. Even a large munitions factory like Iowa, only 1.50 million large-caliber shells can be produced in a year. The current production capacity in the United States can only produce up to 2,155mm grenades for Ukraine a year, and these shells are only enough for Ukraine for 3 months. The Russians consume 50,000 shells a day. The output of the Iowa Ammunition Factory can only support the Russian army for 30 days. The Iowa Ammunition Factory has not only won praise for the production of 155mm howitzer shells, it also dabbled in the manufacture of aircraft bombs and missile combat components, demonstrated its deep military technology foundation. The Iowa Munitions Plant was also the first large-scale production of cyclotriptyline trinitramine in the United States, a military enterprise commonly known as Black Sorkin. This is a very powerful, high explosive. The explosive yield is 1.5 times that of TNT. The production of hexakini requires not only advanced technology, strict production management and quality control are also required to avoid any accidents. The factory has a history of more than 100 years since its establishment, but so far there have been no major accidents. Iowa State Ammunition Factory produces all kinds of shells 5 million a year. Bullets for billion. War broke out. Once this ammunition factory is destroyed, the combat effectiveness of the U.S. Army, Navy, and Air Force will be reduced by 30%. This will have a decisive impact on the outcome of the war.